The Atlantic Ocean is vast. It covers 1/5 of our planet. Imagine travelling across it, from the icy Arctic to the sunny South Atlantic. This ocean is a giant. It holds mysteries and wonders beyond our imagination. The Atlantic provides food for millions. It influences our weather. It even helps us breathe. This ocean is vital to all life on Earth. Join me as we journey into the depths of this incredible ocean. We will explore its hidden treasures and learn why we need to protect it. Beneath the waves, a secret world thrives. Thousands of fish species call the Atlantic home. Some are brightly coloured, like the parrotfish. Others are masters of camouflage, like the stonefish. Whales migrate for thousands of miles across the Atlantic. They sing to each other underwater, their songs echoing through the deep. Dolphins, playful and intelligent, leap from the waves. The ocean floor is alive too. Crabs scuttle along the seabed, lobsters hide in rocky crevices. The Atlantic is a kaleidoscope of life, full of surprise and wonder. The Atlantic is home to some of the largest creatures on Earth. The blue whale, the biggest animal ever known, roams these waters. Imagine a creature longer than 3 buses. Giant squid with eyes as big as dinner plates lurk in the depths. These mysterious creatures were once the stuff of legends. Sharks, both big and small, patrol the ocean. They are vital to keeping the ecosystem in check. The Atlantic's giants remind us of the ocean's power and the incredible diversity of life it supports. Coral reefs are the cities of the sea. They are built by tiny animals called coral polyps. These polyps create hard skeletons that grow together over thousands of years. Coral reefs provide homes for 1/4 of all marine species. Fish find shelter and food among the coral. Turtles graze on the algae. Sharks hunt for prey. These underwater cities are incredibly valuable. They protect coastlines from storms. They provide food for millions of people. Yet they are under threat from pollution and climate change. Section 5. Ancient Mariners and Lost Treasures. The story of the Atlantic Ocean is one of adventure, mystery, and the relentless pursuit of the unknown. The Atlantic Ocean has always been a highway for humanity. For centuries, it has served as a bridge between continents, facilitating trade, exploration, and cultural exchange. Vikings crossed the icy North Atlantic to reach North America. These fearless mariners navigated treacherous waters, driven by a desire to explore new territories and establish new settlements. Explorers like Christopher Columbus sailed west in search of new lands. Their voyages marked the beginning of an era of global exploration, forever changing the course of history. The ocean floor is littered with shipwrecks. These sunken vessels are silent witnesses to the perils faced by those who dared to venture across the vast Atlantic. These sunken vessels tell stories of adventure, trade, and sometimes tragedy. Each shipwreck is a time capsule, preserving the hopes, dreams, and struggles of those who sailed the seas. Some shipwrecks hold treasures lost for centuries. These treasures, often hidden beneath layers of sand and silt, offer a glimpse into the past and the riches that once traversed these waters. Others are time capsules, preserving glimpses of life in the past. The artifacts found within these wrecks provide invaluable insights into the daily lives, cultures, and technologies of ancient civilizations. The Atlantic's history is intertwined with our own. From the early explorers to the modern-day adventurers, the ocean has always been a source of inspiration and a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. It reminds us of the human spirit of exploration and the enduring connection between people and the sea. The Atlantic Ocean continues to be a symbol of our quest for knowledge, adventure, and the unending pursuit of the unknown. Section 6. The Ocean's Breath. The Atlantic Ocean plays a crucial role in the air we breathe. Tiny plants called phytoplankton live in the surface waters. They produce over half the oxygen on Earth. The ocean also absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This helps to regulate our planet's temperature. Without the Atlantic, our world would be a very different place. Every breath we take is connected to the ocean. It's a powerful reminder of the vital role the Atlantic plays in our lives. Section 7. A delicate balance. The Atlantic Ocean is a complex ecosystem. Everything is connected. Fish depend on plankton for food. Sharks keep fish populations in check. Whales migrate across vast distances, bringing nutrients to different parts of the ocean. This delicate balance is easily disrupted. Overfishing can wipe out entire fish populations. Pollution from land can harm marine life. Climate change is warming the ocean and making it more acidic. Protecting the Atlantic's delicate balance is crucial for the health of the ocean and for all life on Earth. Section 8. The Plastic Plague. The Atlantic Ocean, a vast and beautiful expanse, is under siege. Plastic pollution is a growing threat to the Atlantic Ocean. This once pristine environment is now littered with debris. Millions of tons of plastic enter the ocean every year. From plastic bottles to bags, the waste is overwhelming. This plastic doesn't decompose, it just breaks down into smaller and smaller pieces. These tiny fragments, known as microplastics, are pervasive. Sea turtles mistake plastic bags for jellyfish and eat them. This can lead to blockages in their digestive systems, often resulting in death. Seabirds get entangled in plastic fishing nets. These nets can cause severe injuries or even drown the birds. Microplastics are eaten by fish and can even end up in our food chain. This means that the plastic we discard can eventually make its way back to us. We all have a responsibility to reduce plastic use. By making small changes in our daily lives, we can make a big difference. We can choose reusable bags, say no to single-use plastics, and recycle properly. These actions, though simple, can have a profound impact. Every little action helps protect our ocean. By being mindful of our plastic consumption, we can help preserve the beauty and health of the Atlantic Ocean for future generations. Let's take a stand against the plastic plague and work together to create a cleaner, healthier ocean. Section 9. Guardians of the Atlantic. Many people are working hard to protect the Atlantic Ocean. This vast body of water, which covers about 20% of the Earth's surface, is home to an incredible diversity of life. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, the Atlantic Ocean supports a complex and interconnected ecosystem that is vital to the health of our planet. Scientists study marine life and try to understand the impacts of pollution and climate change. They conduct research on various species, tracking their movements, behaviors, and population dynamics. By gathering this data, scientists can identify trends and make predictions about the future health of the ocean. Their work is crucial in developing strategies to mitigate the negative effects of human activities. Conservationists work to protect endangered species and their habitats. They focus on preserving critical areas where these species live, breed, and feed. This often involves working with local communities to promote sustainable practices and reduce human-wildlife conflicts. Conservationists also engage in restoration projects, such as planting mangroves and coral reefs to rebuild damaged ecosystems. They create marine reserves where fishing is restricted. These protected areas serve as safe havens for marine life, allowing populations to recover and thrive. Marine reserves also help maintain biodiversity, which is essential for the resilience of the ocean ecosystem. By setting aside these areas, we can ensure that future generations will continue to benefit from the resources and beauty of the Atlantic Ocean. Governments are implementing policies to reduce pollution and combat climate change. These policies include regulations on industrial discharges, plastic waste management, and carbon emissions. International cooperation is also key, as the health of the Atlantic Ocean affects countries around the world. By working together, governments can create comprehensive plans to address the complex challenges facing the ocean. We can all be guardians of the Atlantic, whether through volunteering for beach cleanups, supporting conservation organizations, or simply making more environmentally friendly choices in our daily lives. Each of us has a role to play. Small actions, when multiplied by millions of people, can have a significant impact on the health of the ocean. By learning about the ocean, supporting sustainable seafood choices, and reducing our impact on the environment, we can help protect this precious resource for future generations. Sustainable seafood practices involve choosing fish that are caught or farmed in ways that do not harm the environment. This includes avoiding overfished species and supporting fisheries that use responsible methods. Additionally, reducing our use of single-use plastics and properly disposing of waste can help prevent pollution from reaching the ocean. Together, we can ensure that the Atlantic Ocean remains a vibrant and thriving ecosystem for years to come. Section 10. Our Blue Heartbeat. The Atlantic Ocean is vast and powerful. It is home to an incredible array of life. It provides us with food, oxygen, and regulates our climate. But the ocean is also vulnerable. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change threaten its delicate balance. The future of the Atlantic, and indeed our own future, depends on the choices we make today. Let's act as responsible guardians of this precious blue heartbeat, ensuring its health and vitality for generations to come.